Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 18 of snowing through January with my minis. So I have my $7 here tonight. So I hope you are doing well. I hope you are having a great weekend. I hope you have a quiet Sunday. I will have a busy Sunday of filming and editing because that's my big day that I usually film and all the things. And I have orders to work on. I did, if you were at my live and you did not see my community post, I did get the Deadpool dice in. Thank goodness it matches. So I will be blinging those at some point today probably. So all right, so let's get our prop coins out. Let me know if it's snowing where you are. On Judy's live, it sounded like a lot of people were talking about snow and a lot of people were sick. So I hope everyone's doing okay. So let's get our dice tower. Sorry for the shadows. I've got my pen. I don't need that. I need this. All right. Brian's here. He's just kind of hanging out under the binder. All right. So let's see if we can finish anything today. Roll a D3. And we have 3. So we're going to put 3 coins down. And these are just prop coins to represent the $7 that I put into the minis bank. And I do think I'm going to continue on in February. I wasn't going to, but you guys are so sweet and I'm having fun doing it. And it's just, you know, I think it's a great way to save some money. 1, 2, and 3. So yeah, I think I'm going to do it. And then 1, 2, and 3 for number 7. I hope we can get all the way through. 1 and 2. 1 and 2, and then to 10. So I only have 10 in here, but the set, I do have it for sale on Etsy. 10 is getting 2, and then we have 1 left, so that will just go into number 1. And then I'm going to finally move the paperclip after days and put it, we'll start at number 2. But it does come with 12, what are these called? Dashboards. And prop coins with 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, and $1 in case that helps you out at all. All right, snow somewhere else. We still need to see that sign because I know some of you that applies to you. All right, so we have for number 1. Oh my gosh. You think I've been doing this long enough that I'd know what I was doing. All right, so we have 25. We have $1 going into number 1. And that one is from Becca Budget 777. And we only needed 50 cents. All right, so this saved us $2. And we can put 50 cents away. And I did stuff this. I added, or I should say I added some. Did I? Oh my gosh, I didn't. Where's the pile? Okay. If I need them, the pile should be behind me. Oh, another one for $2. This one is from Amy by Nature. So we can do 50 cents. So 25 and 50. I could have sworn I brought the little pile over here. Okay. I'm not going to look for it, even though I'm still kind of looking for it. I'm not going to look for it unless we need it. All right. So number 2 got 25 cents. And this one is from Budgeting with Bree, 1487. She's on Ko-fi, and it says, I poop breakfast. That's too funny. So we can cross off 1 egg and put this back in here. And then number 3 got 50 cents. So I hope you guys are doing well. This one is from Emzo Budgets. We can do 2 pieces of bread, 1 and 2. Let's get this bread. I mean, I can't believe we're in January. We're like halfway through January. It's just, time is flying by. Okay, this one is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets, formerly Printable by Woods, and we can cross off 1 snack. 1 snacky snack. All right, 50 cents is going into number 5. And this one's from Becca Budgets 777. Don't meow with me. I'm not kidding around. We can cross off 2 boxes. That does not go there. So Coco's been without her cone this weekend. Oh, it started yesterday, Saturday. Ooh, $1 going into number 6. Yeah, I didn't really get the permission from said vet, but I'm watching her. She's like still kind of drugged out, so she's good. Oh, Bookish Mama Budgets. We get to do a whole nother row. Whole row of books. Super cute. But her incision looks really good. I think it's healing really well, so that's promising. Oh, just shy. Oculus Reparo. From Saving with Sam, we can mark off 3 spots. So 1, 2, and 3. So 25 more cents, and we'll have $5 saved. Okay, and then number 8 got $1. I love the little 75-cent piece one that we've got going on. Ooh, this pretty one from Savings with Tracy. So we can do $1. So 25, 50, 75, and $1. Beautiful colors. All right. Whoops. Throwing stuff. 75 cents for number 9. This one is from Hey K Budgets. Single, taken, in love with tacos. I'm taken and also in love with tacos. So 25, 50, 75. I'm trying to make noise because if Coco hears the neighbor pulling in a trash can, she might lose her mind. Yeah, it's okay. She's sleeping. Okay, so number 10 got $1. Ooh, this one's from Danny at Craft Go Budgets. How beautiful is she? So we can do the whole top row. So beautiful. We did it. We finished one. We finished one for $2. So let's go back to our minis bank that is not open and grab $2, right? Yes, $2. And I already forgot to put my prop coins away, but that's all right. So $2 more in our completed. And then 1 more savings challenge. Oh, that is so cool. All right, prop coins go in here. All right, day 18, success. A little chunky. All right, well, thank you guys so much for being here. I am having so much fun with this. I can't wait for tomorrow to see if we finish that one, which we should. So hopefully you come back, and I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. And until next time, take care. Bye.